What's up, guys? Excuse me. Sorry I'm not there. Miss you guys. Okay, so hopefully you guys will be awesome for the substitute. And I need you guys to do something for me. You're going to be working on ALEKS a good bit. We're going to put a little goal for a party at the end of this month. Maybe let's go probably the first week of April. It's going to take you a good 3 weeks of working through this to get to the goal. So, what I want our goal to be is to finish one of the pie pieces. So, when you click up here on the ALEKS pie and you look at all these pieces, we're going to be focusing in on this little piece here. That is the equations and inequality piece. And what we want to do is we want to fill that all the way up. To get to the party, you're going to need to fill it all the way up. And you're going to need to show the evidence of that work in your composition book. All right, so you have to turn in your composition book and get okayed by me with each of the sections you did titled and work shown to be able to get to the party. The party will have food. Now, I'm not going to pay for it all. You guys can chip in. And also, I'll bring in a Nintendo Switch so I can whoop all of you in Super Smash Brothers. All right, and Mario Kart. I'll destroy you on that as well. All right, anyway, this is how you work it, okay? So when you to get to these and only these ones so you can focus on filling out that pie piece, you're going to go to continue my path, and then when you go to when you see they'll automatically put something here for you, and it looks kind of like it's that purple color, but you can see it's not. It's the graphs, function, and sequences. So how do I get to the other ones? Well, I go here, all right, and this gives you what they think you're ready for. But if you go to ready to learn and then scroll till you get to there. See how it's like a dark purple and a lighter purple? You want the one that says equations and inequalities. Boom, hit that, and now it populates with just that color. All right, and it'll keep you in, as you finish them, it'll keep you going in those. So then we're going to click on the first one, and we can close that up, and now we're going to do the practice. So this is where you try to figure out if you understand this section. All right, so you can read through this. It's all stuff that we've learned and reviewed and done a ton of, so most of it should be review, but there's going to be parts where you're going to have to be like, oh wait, I forgot how to do this, and then you read carefully. It's hard for me to read these things carefully. I just want to skip over it, but take the time to just read and see if you really understand. So it says, for each value of u, where's u? Oh, it's these. These are the values of u. Determine whether it is a solution to 4u plus 1 equals 37. Okay, so now I got to figure out if 1's a solution there, -3 is a solution. Okay, all of those. And then, oh, look at this, the explanation. A solution to the equation, oh, I think I've seen this before somewhere, is a value for the variable that makes the equation true. All right, so solution. So what do we do? The first value for u is 1. So I go back up here. Oh, okay, they're referring to that one there. So we substitute 1 for u in our equation. See, the u comes out. We put a 1 in. Then we simplify and see if we get a true statement. Wait, where'd they get the 4? Oh, I see. Simplify. 4 times 1 is 4. Bring down the 1. Bring down the 37. 4 plus 1 is... Obviously, that's not true. We have a false statement. So it is not a solution. Not a solution. And then they show you how to do the rest. So then, of course, you'll go to the start here and get rocking and rolling. And this is where you probably have to show your work for a lot of these. Oh, they're still telling me. Okay. Probably have to write this down and substitute in. You might be able to do some of these in your head, like 8 times 10 would be 80. Minus 9 is obviously not negative 41. So that's going to be, yeah, thanks. Got it. Okay. That's going to be a no. All right. So anyway, you won't all have this same one. Some of you already done it. Some of you aren't ready for it yet. So you'll be at your own little spots. But once again, here you go. You're going to open this little arrow here. Bop. You're going to go up here. You're going to find the section that says equations and inequalities. And you're going to work on these ones in order as they come. All right, so good luck. Yes, you still have 10 to do, but now do them all in this purple color so you can get to the party. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.